Today we are working on scale drawing. There isn't an SBI for you to copy down. So starting with problem solving, use a scale drawing. In the scale drawing, 1 centimeter represents 3 meters. Find the actual width of the store. Step 1, write a ratio for the scale. 1 centimeter represents 3 meters, so it's a 1 to 3. Step 2, use a centimeter ruler to measure the width of the store. The width of the store in the drawing is 9 centimeters. Use the ratio for scale and the width of the store to write a proportion in step 3. Solve the proportion. So the scale is 1 over 3. The length in the drawing is 9 centimeters. And then we're using n as a variable to represent the actual length. Then we cross multiply, so we get 1 times n, which is just n, and 3 times 9 is 27. So the actual width of the store is 27 meters. So basically what we do is we multiply the 9 centimeters times 3, and then we know that's really 3 meters. So our answer became 27 meters. Use a centimeter ruler in the scale drawing above. Solve. What is the actual length of the main selling floor? Well, we know our scale is 1 to 3, so we need to find the length of the main selling floor in the drawing. And because we know each one of these squares represents 1 centimeter in the drawing, we can just count here. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the length of the main selling floor here. So we're going to plug that into our proportion. Then we need to find the actual length. So we need a fraction that will simplify down to 1/3. And we know from our previous problem that is going to be 27. So the actual length of the main selling floor is 27 meters. For number 2, what is the actual width of the selling floor? So again, we're going to go back to the picture here, and we're going to count the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now in the drawing, it's 6 centimeters. And then we look at our proportion is 1 to 3. We know to get from 1 to 6, we have to multiply by 6. So we're going to multiply 3 by 6 to create an equivalent fraction. So the actual width of the main selling floor is 18 meters. For 3, what is the actual length of the storage room? So we go here and we look at our picture, and we find our storage room, and we want the length. So we want the long side here, and again we count, it's 9 centimeters. So we know the actual length, we multiply that by 3, gets us 27 meters. For what is the actual length of the dressing room? So if we look here, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters here. We know we multiply that by 3 to get 12 meters for the actual length of the dressing room. Five, what is the actual length of the cashier's area? So we're going to go back, and again we count the long side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters in the drawing. We multiply that by 3 to get 18 meters. Finally, number 6, what is the actual width of the manager's office? So again, we go back, we check, and we're going to count across 1, 2, 3. And we know that 3 centimeters in the drawing, we need to multiply by 3, so we get 9 meters in real life. So that's the actual width. Please make sure you have all the work copied down and glue this page in your math notebook.